It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
Simply Anna.
Where is it?
In here. Come here, I'll show you.
It is on.
I don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
Come and see. G'day. Hey. Candy's still in there.
How you going?
Good mate, how are you? What's going on? Living the dream. Sorry? What's going on? Any news?
Everything's arrived apart from the support plates themselves. And I believe they're next week.
Yeah, I think it said something like around the 12th or 10th or something.
So we should be so next week.
Yep. That'll be nice.
Later in the week, we get the barrels up running, get them all home and ready to rock and roll. So on the parts of here where
Yep. Good stuff.
you've been up to.
Wow, nothing, just working. I was flat out all last week and looks like I've got a matching week. Yeah, I sold 3 last week. So a
Calm down.
little bit. You know.
The phone's not as busy as it was a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
I think everyone's just waiting now.
Sort of, you know, ebbs and flows really. It's hit and miss. Mate, if they were, you know, if the vans are all $49,990, I'd sell a shitload. You know, it just, those days are gone. So we'll get through it. But
Out in the world, it's a little bit quieter.
we'll whiz back to the factory. Bits. Unfortunately, not beers.
Well, we haven't had lunch yet, man.
I don't want your news on the side. We're here slaving away. Look, that's not fair.
I just had lunch at the cafe up there too. I suppose it's George just here. The one with all the number plates all over the joint.
No, that's the other guy.
No, it's just there on the left. All the number plates and shit all over the walls. Yeah, it was alright. We just had a vegetarian focaccia thing and a bit of fish. So we just pop up. It's just the factory, so
We're here. We're always here.
there you go. No.
Yours is the best guy.
No. Yeah, he was out on a ride with a couple of my mates.
Oh, really?
They all went to that Bikes on the Hill.
Oh, they've been there.
Oh yeah, they were there. I saw it there.
How'd you go as well?
No, I was working. Unfortunately, I was in Ballarat working, but I saw it there. I watched the video this morning.
With a bunch of his mates on the weekend.
Oh, really?
Who do you know who's on?
Shorty, bit bulky.
Good with faces.
He does a lot of videos. Does a lot of YouTube videos.
Okay.
So he was there, and mate Paul, a few of the other boys were there. They all went there, and I saw that bike. I saw the CVO there, lined up. I recognised it. I remember the Olins hanging off the back. So
I think it's pretty
pull them back a bit. You would lined them up somehow. So. Yeah, because I'm going to whiz it down, aren't I? Because it's near home. So if you book it in, I'll just whiz up there. Yep. We'll get that sorted and pay him directly, obviously. Yep. Yeah. Sweet. Yep. Too easy, buddy. All right. Have a good one. You too. You want a toilet? Alrighty, let's roll, baby. Yep, back to the office.
We're back to the office. So we're done and going back
Back to the office.
YouTube.
Get these customers fixed up with their new caravan so they can go.
Okay, see you guys. Say see you guys.
See you guys. Thanks for joining.